Welcome to Pear Ranchin. Today you get to come along and enjoy the 2-day Horsemanship Clinic that I'm teaching in Etna, California. I'm going to get to show you some of the theory session that I just talked about, show you the board with all that written down. You're going to get to see some of the demo that I'm going to do this morning on some groundwork and follow along on all the fun. The trailers are here, the people are ready, so join in and enjoy the show. Good job. Hey, hey. Nose on the barrel, stirrup on the barrel, and then hip on the barrel. Okay, this is the board that I write up every year for everyone, and we get them to try to remember. And it's 5 body parts: nose, neck, shoulder, ribs, and hip. You need to go in 8 different directions: stand still, forwards, backwards, right, left, up, down, stand still, add a walk, trot, canter, gallop, and a backup. And you might want to rewind and go over this a few times, but this is all the theory that I use with helping me make decisions on how am I going to make my choices with what I'm working on with each horse, so I can start where they're at. And again, you can find all this stuff in depth talked about. There's a playlist on our YouTube page, theory sessions, that has all this stuff broken down for you. So go check those out after you watch this video. Number one thing is stand still under perceived duress. If they perceive there's a energy, can they, going on around them, can they read that and stand still with their head down and relaxed? Notice what we got when we did this. Okay? Now, you're going to have to teach your horse, so you might have to shush him in the face and teach him that back can mean head down. Okay? I could swing this stick on a trajectory that it's actually going to run into her. Right? So she just moved. Mindful about that. I'd rather her read that. Is that coming towards me? Yes, it is, and I'm going to move, and just when it gets there, if I tap her a few times and she hustles off, I don't mind that one bit. I'd rather have that little bit than one that's bouncing around. Oh, don't tap me, don't tap me. Okay, you can swing your stick on a trajectory that it's going to run into that horse and see if they can't read that. Walk, trot, and canter on a 12-foot line. See. Relax with their head down. Ah, good girl. There. Okay? Pretty good. Let's look at this again. I said that this was forward, right? So here's forward. What's that? Backwards. How can you tell it's backwards? It's less forward. Less forward is defined as backwards. She went backwards in the amount of speed she was using. What was it also? At least a little bit. Right. Here's forward. There's backwards. And now she turned right. What's another way that I can exaggerate right or left, or work on forwards and backwards? Sideways down the fence. Relax with their head down. Depending on the horse, if they're tight and or rushy, I might use the fence to work on forward. Notice the left and the front and back feet are going in front of the right feet. That's how I know this is forward. It's also right. It was also just backwards. That do it with your energy. Pushing with the stick. Okay? You could do it with energy. Pushing with the rope. A lot of ways you can teach horse to back up. Okay? The old rope over the withers, horse burpees move. Because what body parts are involved in this exercise? All of them. What directions involved in that exercise? All of them. The horse went forward and right. And when you get a little feel and they bring their chin to their chest, that's up. And when they relax, when they come out of it and put their head down, you got forwards, backwards, right, left, up, down, nose, neck, shoulder, ribs, and hip. I can do push-ups, sit-ups, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, and squats. There's 5 exercises. Or I could do 1 burpee and achieve all of those 5 movements. Be a minimalist. If we're doing all those, just do burpees till you puke. That'll be plenty. You'll be exercised. Okay, we just finished our demo. This is Luna. She gets to be my helper for the week. And she lives here, but has had more time off than on as of recent, just because of how life works for some of us sometimes. And so she did a good job of demoing some of the pieces, gave us a little bit to show working on it, and then some of it showed how perfect it can look. And now everybody is getting their horses and we are getting to work. We started with our theory talk, then we did a demo of what we're going to work on, and now everybody's getting their horses to play. So I'll get you some shots of that as we go. Hey-o! Okay, it's the afternoon. We had a great lunch and gave a riding demo, and now we're on. So we talked about little riding sequence, how I might get started on thinking about riding, building up from there, and then got everybody saddled up, warmed up, and on. We just all went to the right once they were warmed up, and I've been tasking them. So things like prepare your horse to go straight by tucking their nose, shaping up their neck, and release them to go straight. Shape your horse to the right, but ride them straight. Then release them to ride to the right onto a circle, all 4 feet going equal. Okay, good old Ray Hunt style clinic. So we just did a bunch of that. We did circles, we did straight lines, we did leg yields. Now we're going to the left. So I'll get you some shots of these guys doing awesome, and that'll be a wrap for day 1. Shape your horses to go straight. Shape up your horses to ride straight. Then release them to relax and stretch with their head and neck, and go straight with their body. Now, shape them to go left, but ride them straight. And release them. Relax that head and neck. Now, shape them up to go left, but ride them straight. Now that you got them shaped to go left, release them to ride to the left. How small of a circle can you ride and keep all 4 feet going even? And then head back off on the rail. Good job. Good job. Smile and wave. Hey, hey.
Okay, day 2 of horsemanship. Headed down the hill to go start them up. We had a good day yesterday, good groundwork, good ride. Everybody had a good time and learned a lot. Tried to get you as much clips as I could remember between teaching and handling horses and doing all that. And try to get you more today. And then it'll be cows for 3 days, and that will probably be in the next video. All right, go do a little chitty chat. Probably have a demo. Get the horses out. We'll see you there.
Okay, we're working this morning, and behind me you can see my new friend Savvy. Savvy's 11, and she's just kind of got this nice roping horse, and she's learning about getting him to go on a circle. Okay, all right, show the YouTube what you got, kiddo. Out of the way. So we're learning how to go a little bit and then come in and rub on him. Okay, so Savvy can ride this horse, has a lot of fun, but she's kind of learning some groundwork. So we learned to rub him on the face. He kind of was head shy. She's been rubbing him with a feed bag, and now we're just starting to learn how to go on the circle. So lots of fun, even getting the little people in on it. Good job, kiddo. Okay, Priscilla, wave, you're on YouTube. There's Priscilla. She's got her horse going. That's Dolly. They got their horse all ready to go for the morning. Starting to ride. Go over here and see Jody. So this horse yesterday was really scared. The highway's right here. And we kind of had to work on getting him confident. And so now he's just standing here hanging out relaxed, eating grass, and the traffic's zooming by. And so that's a big change from yesterday. So we worked on some confidence with the traffic and then yielding off the halt turn off the stick to say, hey, you can try and stay. You can try and stay. So confidence and yielding has been the name of the game for a lot of the horsemanship stuff. And then what kind of things can we do to connect with our horse and get along better? Happy, happy horses and people. Okay, it's the afternoon session. We're riding, and you can see behind me what we do is we got a bunch of barrels out. If you didn't know, there are 60 different ways that you can turn around a barrel. 3 different positions, 2 different kinds of flexion, positive flexion and counter arc. Okay, that makes 6, and you got rights and lefts. That makes 12. You got 5 speeds: walk, trot, canter, gallop, and backwards. 5 times 12 is 60. Who said you didn't need math to ride horses? Okay, so what we're doing is we're getting these horses on these barrels, letting them work out a little bit, get some rhythm and flow, and then switching, counting them down. Everybody switches, goes the other direction, and we're working on the 3 different positions, mostly with positive flexion. So nose on the barrel, stirrup on the barrel, and then hip on the barrel. Pretty good day. Horses are rocking. Okay. Weaving in and out. At a trot. We're going to circle the barrel we're on. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Circle the barrel. It's alright. Find you a barrel. You guys can nose and tail it. Yeah, good job. Good job. Back to weaving in and out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're weaving in and out. Okay, all wrapped up. Everybody got their horses taken care of. We're about to have our group dinner like we do every day. So that's the end of horsemanship. And now tomorrow we move on to cows. So hope you're enjoying getting to get a little glimpse of our ranch experience, our fun camp that we have here out in California. And we'll keep trying to bring you little blips along the way. We still got 3 more days to go. So if you're enjoying what we're doing at Pear Ranchin, make sure you hit that thumbs up. If you want to get subscribed, you can click here. And if you want to get the next episode, click here. We'll see you next time.